I think you stuffed the exhaust pipe. Car can't breathe. Oh yeah. He purposely went around just to walk on the snow.
And I can't help him get up there. He has to do it by himself.
Oh yeah, he'll get mad. I know all about it. Whoa. This car needs a wash. Okay, babe, it's not a Land Rover. Did she stuff the exhaust? It is those exhaust escaping. He's mad at you, throwing a tantrum.
Ovid was 4.